Hello, welcome back. So, as you can see, the BM is on all fours because I have fitted the ABS pump, if you can see there. Bit of a faff. I had to make new brake lines, which you can probably see there. The old one I took off, which is here, and she's knackered. So I bled up all the brakes apart from the passenger one. This one, because this bleed nipple here is just seized and I cannot get it off. So whipping the caliper off, sending it away to get that taken off essentially. New bleed nipple in, put it back on, and then I'm hoping she's done. I'm hoping the ABS light will go out, and I'm hoping I can bang her straight in for an MOT and get her up for sale.
First, I'm going to spray some WD on the bolts. They've probably not been off in a long time, so save snapping them. I've then put a rag around the flexi pipe and clamped it with some pliers just to stop any excess brake fluid pouring out when I take the caliper off. I then just need to take the caliper off and then unwind it from the flexi.
Here we go. And I couldn't spin this off before, so I've got to do that while the caliper's off. There we go. Voila. Caliper removed. So I've got the caliper back after having the bleed nipple removed. New one fitted. Got to get her on the hub now.
I can now fit the caliper and connect everything back up.
Okay, so she's back on, so I'm just going to have to bleed her up now. So I'm doing it on my own, got a suction bleeder. Hopefully that's cured. Then we can finally bang it in for another MOT. I hope anyway. So, the moment of truth, we're going to see if the ABS light comes on. So it should come on at about 5 or 10 mile an hour. What are your bets? Oh, fuck off. Yeah, no idea. Tried anchoring on. Yep, she's still on. Back to the drawing board. Right. Yeah, I don't really know where to go now. Well, no, I do, but so the ABS pump is obviously something's not right with the ABS. Whether it's the pump, whether it's some wiring, I don't know. I plugged the snap-on computer into it, and it said error code was ABS return pump. I thought they had a standalone return pump on this. It doesn't, it's built into the ABS pump. The ABS pump obviously looks sound, so I don't know if it is that. So I spoke to a few people that know these quite well, and they said get a proper BMW computer on it. So I've managed to get hold of one, but it can't be for another week. So until then, I'm just gonna have to sit tight. So luckily for you lot, short episode. Yeah, so anyone got any ideas, let me know. But the pump works, I don't know, no idea. So yeah, tune in next time when hopefully we'll get it fully working and cleaned up, obviously, and banged in for an MOT. So yeah, thanks for watching.